Hello guys, hope you're all doing well. In previous video, we have learned about the basic informations of skull bones. In this video, we'll know about the cranial bones. We have already drawn the cranial bones in the beginning of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. From there, we have recognized the 8 cranial bones. Now, we should know where these bones are located and their functions. It is the part of the top portion of the skull which protects the brain. The main function of cranial bones is to provide protection for the brain and the organs of vision, taste, hearing, equilibrium, and smell. Now let's know a very important term, fontanelles. Fontanelles are the unossified areas between the cranial bones. These are found in fetus and neonates, which means newly born babies. In this diagram, here we can see the anterior fontanelles. The sutures and fontanelles are needed for the infant's brain growth and development. Before, we have learned that the number of cranial bones are 8. Among these, 2 bones are paired, parietal and temporal. And the other 4 bones, frontal, occipital, sphenoid, ethmoid, are single. We can memorize the number of this bone by this mnemonic. Step of 8. S for sphenoid, T for temporal, E for ethmoid, P for parietal, O for occipital, F for frontal. Here, temporal and parietal bones are 2 in number and the other bones are 1. So the total number is 8. Hopefully you have understood about the cranial bones. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe.